Hi friends! I was inspired to do this video because I accidentally left this bag in class and had to write a missing bag report, and I was like, wait a minute. Low-key, why did I slay? So I hope you loved this video. It did cost me an eyeliner and my dignity sharing some of these stories, but that is okay. Call me a fashion anthropologist. Without further ado, here is a What's in My Bag Sandy Liang Baggu edition. Let's jump right in. I purchased this secondhand, so I did end up paying double the price for this. Those of you who got it at a normal price, count your days. Speaking of Sunny Angels, thank you so freaking much for all the love and support on my last video. I cannot believe it. I hit my first 100 subscribers. I literally feel like a celebrity. I'm crying and throwing up as we speak. I've tried to watch My Neighbor Totoro so many freaking times, but it's so sad. I start bawling my eyes out, so I can't get past like 5 minutes of it. But I swear, listen, I'm getting like 5 minutes further into it every time I watch. So technically, I'll be done soon. Give me a couple years and I'll meet you there. I used to be such a practical phone case girly, having those like shields of thick armor as a phone case. I don't know what happened. This year I was finally converted. I was like, you know what? Life is short. Get the silly little phone case today. Okay, today. My little sister surprised me with this charm, and she knows me so well because I love korilakkuma, and he's holding my favorite drink, and I just love miniature versions of food. Whenever I see a miniature version of a food, I have no thoughts in my brain. I'm like, just buy it. I feel so cute taking my cushion out and reapplying. I'm like, yeah guys, I'm just a girl. I'm doing my makeup. When Tirtir said that this is a long-lasting foundation, I don't know why I didn't believe them, but I got this in my favorite white skirt and I cannot get it out for the life of me, so I know it is long-lasting, okay? If you've never tried these eye drops, please go to your Japanese supermarket and just pick these up, because I swear to God, it's like a literal gunshot in your eyes. I don't know how it is so strong and crisp. It will definitely help you if you have dry eyes. Trust me on it, but you are also being warned because it's spicy. I'm a firm believer in putting a phone charm on everything. Phone charm? More like bag charm. More like pen charm. The possibilities are endless. I am putting you guys on to way too much game right now, but this is my hair mascara that I use for flyaways and to do my iconic side part. I truly believe the most beautiful thing ever is when someone has like a messy side part. I'm like, oh my God, she's so beautiful. Every time, every time. So what you're about to see next, it's going to look alarming. I'm not gonna lie, but I swear it makes sense, okay? Because they each serve a different purpose, a slightly different tint or shade or undertone or feel or smell or texture, all of which I can individually appreciate and like to have on hand just in case. Yeah, I bedazzled this one because I'm like actually amazing and like so talented or whatever. Yeah, I'm really humble about it too. So, funny thing about my card holder is that I always lose this thing, but it somehow always comes back to me. Once, someone used my card in here to buy $300 worth of sushi. $300, like, oh my God. I have to assume they were like treating their friends or something. I have no idea how one person can consume all that. Another time, someone left everything intact except a limited edition Glossier Metro card. Please, if you were the person who stole it, please contact me. Please, we can work something out. Glossier, please, I am humbly coming to you and begging to make this lotion refillable. I can't keep buying these every time I run out. Like, that is actually insane to me. But I can't keep ripping the head off and putting lotion in it. It makes me feel like a barbarian. So please, let's get a system going, please. I got this banana from the Sol Janeiro. I'm so sorry, Italian people. I'm sorry. That festival in New York that's like all over Soho and like messes up traffic for like a week. You know what I'm talking about? And of course, I fell because I have the immune system of a 90-year-old grandma. Yeah, that's right. I trapped my little sister in here because I just think she looks so cute in it. It really suits her. I remember when I went to go buy these Cost Porta Pros for the first time, and I was like at the B&H store, and the guy who was helping me, he was like, whoa, damn, like, you got good taste. Like, most girls don't know. Like, girl, like, this is the most popular headphone right now. What? I always carry ribbons on me just in case. If I'm not wearing them, they will be in my bag. When an outfit is, it's okay. But then you put some ribbons on it and it's perfect. You've made it to the end, so congratulations. Congratulation, just one congratulation. You all have to share it. I hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time, y'all. Bye.